Welcome to another Women series within the Tobo Sigwe Ezikolomo. Ifezuloke Ewerogugu. Ifezuloke Ewerogugu. Today I want to talk about ancient Igbo mystical key to growth. Ancient Igbo mystical key to growth. Ifezuloke Ewerogugu. Finiteness comes from incompletion. Anything that is incomplete is bound to finish. But whatever is whole has achieved the status of infinite. The principle of Agwagu is based on this esoteric principle of completion. The principle of Agwagu, endlessness, is based on the esoteric principle of what? Completion. This principle, when understood, could help one in all aspects of growth, be it business, relationship, invention, ideating, creating a new movement. Some of us want to experience growth. I'm trying to show you ancient principle, ancient mystical principle, esoteric principles of creating growth. This principle is built on the psychic principle of Ifekolo, Ifakudobeya. This means anything that stands alone is incomplete. Thus, duality is necessary for completion of wholeness to be achieved. For completion of wholeness to be achieved, there must be duality. It's duality that brings what? Wholeness. A body must have a spirit. Day must have night. A positive must have a negative. A good must have bad. A merit must have a demerit. A future or present must have a past. A future or present is anchored on a past. A weakness must have a strength. Life must have death attached to it. A male must have what? A female. Duality is wholeness. Duality is wholeness. Ifezuloke Ewerogugu. Whatever is complete cannot finish. Whatever is complete, cannot what? Finish. If you understand this reality of wholeness as a creator, you must therefore consciously factor duality in anything you create if you want it to last. For example, any serious team that is made up of only one gender is bound to be finite. If you are creating a team, if you are building a team, and that team is made up of only male, that team is made up of only female, is bound to be finite. It won't last long. There will be no longevity. Think about it. In the past, when our ancestors create any deity, if they want to create a deity, if the deity is masculine, let's say like a male deity like Udo, a female deity must also be created for the deity, either to come in as a wife or daughter or companion. He creates a hana muo on na ifa muo nwoke aya matala muo nwoke ahụ nwanyị ọ na ya mụtali nwa nwanyị ọ na ya create lie oye nwanyị for it to what? Last, for it to be efficient, for it to achieve longevity. Ahe de ha e create muo ọwụrụ mmụọ nwoke ma mmụọ nwanyị anyị ekreti di ma nwunye anyị ekreti di ma nwunye for wholeness, for completeness to be achieved, so that you want that thing to be what? Fruitful. You want it to be complete. If the deity is feminine, a husband is created for it. Even the Christians borrow this same principle in the concept of what? Trinity. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Father and Son is male, while Holy Spirit is created. You see the attribute of female being given to the Holy Spirit. So what you are seeing in Father, Son, Holy Spirit is actually a fusion of male and female energy. The Father and Son, that Trinity, is actually duality, it's not three. It's actually two. It's a fusion of male and female what? Energy. Completion or infinite status cannot be achieved in singularity of the same kind. Ifekolo, once you have created one energy, you have to create the second energy, duality. Ifekolo, Ifakudobe, for it to stand. Anything that has only a singular energy, only a positive without a negative, cannot stand. Even trees, animals follow the same principle. This is why trees and animals have female and male species. Almost all the trees have male and female species. Most of us do not know this. As simple as pawpaw, all the trees you can mention, Those who know about trees can identify the female version of that particular tree and the male version of that particular tree. It's when you start having this understanding, you can know how to blend these trees, how to work with the trees, or how to work the energies inherent in the trees. The same with animals. Animal is very clear. The male and female species of animal. So humanity has no end because there is both gender. As far as both gender exists, male and female, there is no end. Anything that has duality has no end. It's complete. If you're calling to achieve the status of Agwago, the status of endlessness, there must be a fusion of the male and female energy duality. A business or family has no end as far as it follows the principle of Ifekulifakudobe. Any man that refuses to marry has put an end to that particular lineage. Any business that has only a male or a female, it's finite. So the principle of Ifekulifakudobe, consciously or unconsciously, has to be factored in creating a family or in creating a business. Many tough medicine or sacrifice can only be activated or potentiated when there is a union of male and female gender. For it to be complete. To complete it, to make it powerful. Just like it takes a union of male and female gender to produce a child. Two females cannot produce a child. Two males cannot produce a child. Look at nature. Nature is telling you something. Look at nature. You must understand the nature. You want to be productive. Understand nature. This is what I'm trying to tell you with the principle of Ifekulifakudobe. If you are running a one-man business, it will surely die off. If you are running a one-man business and you need to get someone, if you're a man, get a woman. If you're a woman, get a man. That's if you want to employ someone. Get the right opposite gender and you see the difference in the business. Anything counter to this thing, the venture is running counter to the principle of Ifekulifakudobe. Even the Catholic priests that do not marry are balanced with Reverend sisters that do not marry. When critically looked into, there is marriage because two opposite genders or two unmarried opposite genders are being channeled, their energies are being channeled to perpetuate what they want to achieve with that theory of not being married. To experience and perpetuate growth, two opposites must be involved. Positive and negative must meet. Find a female or male that match your cosmic energy and you experience growth in whatever venture you are doing. Standalone is finite. Standalone energy is finite. Duality is infinite. Even the gods marry. Even you as a person, when you try only to be good, you are destroying yourself. When you try to be bad, you are destroying yourself. You must meet. Your being has to be a fusion. Your person has to be a fusion of the good and the bad for you to ensure survival, full survival. If you want to build a strong team, make sure the team is not comprised of only one gender. The energy and brain of 7 men is 1, but the energy of 7 men and 1 woman is 2. If you like, make it 1 million men, and there is no female, it's all 1. The energy is what? The fusion of all those energy, the coming together of all those energies is 1 energy. Once you bring a woman, it becomes 2. It becomes balanced. A woman must come in, overtly or covertly, for any project. A man must come in overtly or covertly for any project to be complete, for duality to be complete, for wholeness to be achieved. Anything that is whole is complete. Anything complete is infinite. Anything that is complete has no end. And duality is izuoke. Duality is izuoke. Wholeness. Male, female, positive, negative. For it to work, for it to complete, there should be a fusion. And you get that O, that mystical O. Our ancients understand the mystical balancing of dual energy and the bringing forth of forces. Learn from them. Those who understand the balancing or union of dual energy in creation are the masters of creation and invention. Be it physics, biology, anything you are trying to do, physically or spiritually, psychically, mystically, anything you are trying to, you must follow this principle of Ifekulifakudobe. Getting and balancing opposite genders or opposites is the key to growth. O nwere ife eji enye ogugu nnekwu na-enye udo oke ọkpa. Oke ọkpa bụ ikenga, nnekwu na-ebi okwu. Ikenga is nothing without the other. Without zero, one is useless. Without zero, one is useless. So to bring completion in anything you are doing, zero must meet one, and you have growth. Zero must meet one for there to be growth. I need you to settle down and understand this thing and see how you can take this basic template of growth and do it in your business, in your ideas, in your relationship, in your whatever thing you are endeavor, and you experience growth. And thank me later. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen, or my email address, or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.